good day. Ade Lamide, digital marketer at justvideomarketing.com. Welcome to today's video. I'm going to be showing you how to add a channel trailer video to your YouTube channel. So with that said, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is log into my YouTube channel. So once I log in, the next thing I'm going to do is to upload a channel trailer video to my channel. So in order to do that, I'm just going to go to the create button and just click the upload video button. So I'm just going to choose the video that we're going to upload. This will probably take a while, so I'm just going to pause this video while that's going on. Okay, once it's finished uploading, I can add some description. I'm just going to add welcome to the channel. Feel free to you can always add a detailed description, which I would do later. So once that's done, I'll just do next. I would also just add the basic elements to this video. So I'm not really going to add any tags whatsoever. And then I can just click next. I'm not going to add any end screen or add cards, just next. I'm just going to leave this one as unlisted for now, so I'll just do save. So the video is there. So the next thing we would want to do is go to my channel. So we are in the back office. We just want to click on customize channel. I've made the video unlisted because I just want new visitors to my channel to see the video. So the next thing I do is you got two different sections on the menu, so I just go for new visitors. You can always add a different video content for the returning subscribers. So then you click on this channel trailer button and you just choose the new video that we've uploaded, which says welcome to my channel, and you just do save. And that's it, to be honest. Once new visitors come to your channel, this video will play, as you can see, only shown to people who aren't subscribed. And what I normally do is I've just made a short introduction and told them about my channel, and just giving them a call to action to subscribe to my channel, and that's it. And yes, that's how you add a channel trailer video to your YouTube channel. Hope you've enjoyed today's video. Please do remember to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button so that I can always notify you once I add new content. Thank you, and enjoy your day.